Back. We're back. We're back. What? Someone resubscribed while we were away. What did I miss? Doesn't look like it. Okay, now we're back. Move the cup back down here. Okay. So, what did we just change? Oh, we were changing showing. If you're going to injure yourself as a cartoon pretending to attack a fatigue, then yeah, it's dead. Wait, are we not back yet? We're back. Okay. So actor, you go other component, get actor. I think this stores a reference to its actor. Yeah, it does. And there's a current item as well. Otherwise, this current item's already saved. This is all the actor crap. And this is all the item crap. Brothers just gave up on you is all. As have I as well. Devin, no, please. I'm sorry. This is our actor. Store a reference, and then we reset and hide and show current tabs. If it's show item, we're gonna hide and show only things that are relevant. So they do have inventory, they do have thoughts, they do have activity. It's really just a status view we're gonna hide. I think we still want all of these for regular items. Oh, well, I guess not everything has an inventory. Only certain items have inventory. So like coffee stand should have inventory. And then thoughts and activity will be for every item. So even, I guess, I don't know, what about like beanbag chairs? Will we track their thoughts and activity? I guess not. It'll just be their stats, which I don't know why it's not highlighting with the F. Oh, stats isn't highlighting for anybody anymore? Interesting. So I guess some things will have some items will have inventories, or some shops will have inventories. Boots will have thoughts. I guess nobody will have activities, because that'll just be in their stats, like what stats they have so far. So first, let's add a little text guide to our stats. Rename your game to Convention of Jerks. But these convention goers are so kind. Actor details, current, not current status. Stats tab. We're gonna add a new text in here. So we're just gonna copy the text from here, so it's all the same font and stuff. Stretch. 20, 20, 20, 20. So new text. Make this blank. And that'll be our description text. Now, where is it? I thought this had a description. Oh, stats view is just a tab. No, it's a detail tab view now. Oh, there's a description. Doesn't need this tab anymore. Which means our bind just broke. On press. Okay. So let's rename our convention for GT. We're going to call this... Where's our game manager? Game info? Convention info? I actually forget where we store that stuff. Not thought manager. Game state manager? Info? Yeah. So GT Con. It's the Dragon Ball GT convention. Most important convention in all the land. Okay, there we go. Now it shows. So we have that text where we're going to show the stats for the things. We're not going to show activities for items. And we're going to have to know whether or not it's a regular item or a shop, etc. So we have, let's see, let's go to our prefabs. We have booths, which probably should be tagged as something more than item. And do we I guess we just made the item tag, so we never use it. Let's double check if we've never typed it before. So it's here. Okay, so we have used the tag item before. So on trigger enter, if other.compare tag item, collision count plus plus. So this should be tags.item. This should be tags.item. Don't care about that. We don't care about that. So we are using tags for collisions. Probably should be using layers instead. Why are there only 50 people here? Our stream just went down, so that's probably why. Our stream died and we're just getting it back up. So we probably don't want to be using tags for collision counting. Because we want to create more tags for stuff. Like we probably want a booth and a shop. I guess we could just check the item type. Station type, I believe. Yeah, we could just do that. So a shop is a booth. And a booth is a station, and a station has a station type. So we could do it by station type. Or we could do it by, yeah, we could do it by station type. So here for show item, we can have a switch for station type. Oh, I don't know why I did that. It's just other dot. Oh, wait, I know what to do. What's up, Ona Mr. Bean? Oh, what's up, Mr. Bean? I read it as Ona Mr. Bean. What's up, one Mr. Bean? How's it going? Sweet giraffe emote, dude. True viewer count has finally shown itself. So here, I don't know why this is public. Don't need to be public. Here we'll have void show shop. Because booths are shops, or shops are booths. What is it? Booths are stations. And yeah, booths should just be shops. Shops don't need to exist, and booths should be shops. But I guess not all booths are shops. Boots and pants. Oh, sweet, you have one of those conjoining emotes? Jealous. Jealous. And I guess it's a station, so show station. Oh, it's actually made out of gold. Where have you been living? Everyone knows this. It's a hashtag quasi fact. So I feel like stations should not be items. Stream is over. What do you mean, Slark Knight? Stream should be live. So we can just say station equals other dot get component station, if station, show station, and then return. Otherwise, yeah, items don't have inventory, they don't have activity, they don't have thoughts, they don't have a status. Whereas a station just doesn't have activity, status view, or hide tab. This is all we're starting to get into way too many iffies. Way too many iffies. You want to play my game, Crowan? Thank you, dude. When are you going to have your ears repaired, GT Craze? You know, I'm kind of enjoying it without it. I'm a lot less hot without my ears on. They used to get me keep me really warm up here. So I'm just playing music through the speakers now. It feels way better. So we're getting way too much into Switchy and Casey, and it probably means we're not doing good enough inheritance. So we probably should be doing is... What's up, Slark Knight? We probably should be doing... We have our views and we have our actors. This thing was built for actors. You're a lot less hot. We can fix that with hashtag banana suit. Damn it, GT Grace. Nice, we should warm you up. Quasi still no ears. Yeah, I think we're going to no ears for life. No ears life. So this is all hard-coded for actors. And we'll have our, I guess, actually, it's not that bad, I guess, if we just do, I don't know why this is public. Does it ever access anybody else, anywhere else? Nope. Guess I'll just see it. Do private station. Can I ear you? I can ear you. Can you ear me? If station. So this should say actor should be null. Station should be null. Too many episodes means you should be inheriting more. Usually it does, yeah. Usually means your code's getting really messy and convoluted, which like this very obviously is too. I'm trying to think of what's a better way to break this down. Because the problem is these things have a lot of things that are not in common. I could have two different classes for rendering this view, possibly. You're getting blue eyes? What? I have brown eyes. Could make two different of these UIs to spawn. I was worried about doing that so early because I have to manage both of them, and that's gonna be a pain in the ass. So the stations have inventory right now. So let's see, player has this inventory called inventory. It's a class. Blue eyes, white crossing. And the inventory is a component the player actually gets. And let's go look at inventory. Oh, it's just a class. We just create a new one. Wait, what? Where does this inventory come from? Because it's public? It's never initialized. Oh, it is never initialized. That's just because it's public, it's been initialized. This is definitely not safe. I think that's a component though. That's actually a component. So our stations can have an inventory. Brown will be the same as a skin tone. Oh, you don't have enough colors? Well, just black eyes. I would use the same colors as my hair for the eyes. What's up, Zoot? So stations can have inventories. And now if station, we can say inventory.setInventory station.inventory.items. Let's not do thoughts for now. This is ball pit, this is a panel, it's an artist booth. Ah, see, well, I guess panels are totally different. Artist booth has inventory, and that's cool. What? Why doesn't it start? Now the ball pit has an inventory, which is a problem, because a ball pit should not be a station. So we'll have to check to see if the inventory is actually there. Same thing, beanbag chair is not going to have inventory, so we don't want that. I was leaving from my parents' home 1 kilometer away. One of the tires on the car ran flat in the middle of a busy highway. Dude, I'm so sorry. That really sucks. Are you okay? Is your car okay? So here for show station. So what do we know about inventories? We know Can't get over there. Can't celebrate my brother's birthday and have to buy a new tire because the old one was shredded. Crap. It really sucks. You know what caused it? So list of current items. Items. Inventory station.items. We'll say if station.items dot length or count equals 0, then inventory dot hide. Otherwise, do this. Oh, actually, this should happen here on show station. I have no idea what caused it. Damn, I found a small road I could get into and change the spare. Damn, I'm glad. Well, I'm glad you weren't stuck on the highway then. Here's with a wheel of cheese. So beanbag and not that. A booth. So booth has inventory. Why is it, I don't know why our tabs aren't being highlighted properly. Beanbag should not. Null reference exception. Ah, because this is null. Let's make this a class. This should be a new list. So beanbag chair. Oh, god damn it. Station inventory dot items. Okay, we're gonna make this a return current items. We're gonna have public bool has items. Or has inventory. Now we're gonna attempt to change tire in the middle of the rush hour highways. If I've been truly stuck on a highway, I'd call the police. Yeah, no, absolutely. It's gonna return current items not equal to null. And current items dot count is greater than 0. So that way we only care if it has an inventory. Then we hide the inventory tab. And so beanbag chair, boom, motherfucker. This is still null. Is our oh because it's public. So the beanbag, I see. So go to our beanbag here. Beanbag's a rest station and the inventory current items. Well, it's there. What's null? Station null? Is inventory view null? Let's put a breakpoint here. Do you have a CV on Stack Exchange that is viewable to the public? I do not. So station is null. What the f— oh, I meant— what? How did I even get here then? If station, so what the fuck is— what the fuck? How do we even get— who else is calling this? If station— but how? It's null. Station is not equal to null. Am I not seeing this right? Null station exception. Sure, Brian, let's see it. If station is not equal to null, then show station. How's it even getting down there for the beanbag chair? Is a beanbag chair a station? Oh crap, it is. It is a rest station. I didn't realize that. So then why isn't it picking up the station class? It should be getting component rest station, which is a station. Oh, shit. I have the same name for variables twice. I had a global variable station and a local variable station. I can't believe they didn't show me a warning or an error or something about that. Okay, cool. And so if we go back to inventory, if it has inventory, count is greater than 0. So if we don't have an inventory, then hide the inventory. You don't have the right colors. The link didn't work for me. Still didn't work. Fail. Beanbag chair, inventory. Item of 0 has inventory is false. Then it says hide the inventory. Oh, I meant to do hide tab, not just hide. What the hell is the difference between hide tab and hide? Oh, hide just hides the view. Whoops. Literally entering the same link. Fail. There we go. Beanbag just has stats. Ball pit just has stats. Artist booth right now just has stats because they don't have inventory yet. Dinosaur Studio just has stats because they don't have inventory either. What's up, Haystein? Good to see you, dude. The stats view is interestingly screwed up for regular items. Oh, you know what? It's not clearing out from people, I guess. What happened to this picture? Where's the picture? The little smiley face is gone. What's up, Sin? How's it going? Look, our little smiley face guy is not showing. Let's see, stats tab, panel, stat 00, image is disabled. Huh. What the hell is that disabled for? So stat view. Setup. Game object set active true. Slider value. Slider value. How does it ever get disabled? Stats view. Stats.hide. Stats.setup. Hide sets the game object to false. Happiness icon dot hide. Sickness icon dot hide. Wait, what the hell is this for? How would I do that? Why would I ever hide the happiness icon? It's the most important icon of all. Oh my god, that is so creepy. I love it. I gotta save this. Holy crap. That is the creepiest thing I've ever seen. And also the greatest thing I've ever seen. That's exactly what I look like too. Oh my god. I love that I'm smiling. Just the creepiest Kappa smile of all time. So check it out. Our tabs when we first start are all the wrong color. Vala Morgulis, what's up, Fear Lord? Haven't talked in a while indeed. How have you been? So our tabs are the wrong color. Goddamn. So on start, we show tab 0. Isn't this detail view? Isn't that what this is all about? Oh, hide tab. No, hide? It's status view. Devlog almost ready. I do explain the persistence system there. Cool, can't wait to see it. I'm actually going to be working on some of that today too. It's staring at me. Send help. What the hell is setting? This is a tab view, so it's in here. Our colors are set here, active color and active color. Create tabs. View equals this, okay. Show tab 0. This happens in awake. Show avoid create tabs. Show the first tab by default. Which goes to tab.show, which sets it to an active color. So what's the problem? Seems all of our tabs are coming out not selected. How's the game going? It's going well, Fear Lord. Making some progress. Working out some kinks right now. So here it worked, but here everything is set as active. Only when I click on something is it being set to unactive. Tab length is greater than 0. Show tabs at 0. So iterate over all the tabs. Show this one and hide the other ones. Then hide should be setting it to inactive color. So let's guess let's check when this is called. Should be called as soon as we open up the window. Working out some kings. Yes, I know the King of Sweden is a bit on the heavy side, but what the hell? Continue. Is it because this color is not set yet? Huh. Surely get a vibe so you can participate in MSI's VR Game Jam. What's the MSI's VR Game Jam? Isn't MSI the graphics card company? Is it almost ready for us to play Haystein? I would say it's 70% ready for you guys to play. It's getting really close to being able to send it to some of you guys. 30,000 grand prize, sweet. Yeah, I don't really enjoy VR development. It's kind of annoying as hell taking the headset on and off again. I worked on that VR game for that research thing, and it's incredibly frustrating working in VR, for me anyway. All my classes are named way too similarly. We've got tab, we've got tab view. I don't know if they're always related. For some reason, our show tab 0 doesn't have all the tabs in it. Is that the problem? We do a reference to our tabs. Can you post links, Dark Knight? What is your link about? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's fine. Is it because of the hide and show crap that we're doing? So show item, we're doing hide tab, which just hides the button. Maybe this button's getting hid before it can set its color. Oh, for the jam. MSI leading VR experience over a US $80,000 prize pool. This looks like a very epic jam. Upload your final zip by December 15th. Cool. Well, it would cost me $800 to enter the jam, so wouldn't it be an interesting... it'd be an interesting, what's the word? Investment. $800 to possibly win, to very unlikely win $30,000. Flint Steel, what's up, dude? Why is our tabs not showing the right color? What's up, Alper? How's it going? Gamble? Yeah, $800 is a big gamble. For me, anyway. Worth it. Look, I click on this guy. His tabs are all the wrong color. But I click on one tab, now they're all the right color. So what the hell? What the hell? First place also gets a gaming laptop and a year of Unity Plus. Sweet. Are you going to enter Slark Knight? You should do it. You should do it. Oh, I actually have a friend who should totally enter. He's working on a VR game. Or he's worked on a few VR games. See you, Elmer. Thanks for hanging out, dude. Have a good one. Fly to Taiwan for an award ceremony. That's a very interesting place to have your award ceremony. Is MSI based out of Taiwan? So we basically want these inactive colors. Everything's being set to active color, it seems. I guess we just hide everything by default. That'd be an interesting hack. Like tabs at i.hide. Nope, tags, not tags. Tabs at i.hide. You hide everything first. You have a vibe already? Nice. Do it then. You literally have no excuse. No excuse. So you can see nothing's ever getting set to on for some reason. Now show tab is supposed to be the one doing it. Is it something when we reordered this? This tab, this tab, this tab. Is it? There's still a reference to their button. Tab button dot color, and this is an image. And that's the only thing I can remember changing. As we changed thoughts, and it's the right buttons. Ooh, your vibe just broke. Oh, what are the chances? Let's try a hack here, see what happens. If this works, and I'm not sure if something else isn't working. That worked, but now he has no stats, so shit. Huh. Alright. Something curious going on here. Let's not waste too much time trying to figure that out. I'm going to grab some water, so I'll be back in a minute. I'll give you guys some stuff to do in the convention. There's a booth. There's a ball pit. There's a round table. There's a pizza shop. Enjoy! We're back! All right. Did AI fail? Oh man, it looks like it. Hey guys, what happened? What's going on with these guys? Are they all trying to? I think they're all trying to get to the table. Oh, a BRB thing. It looks like everyone's trying to get to the same table, and huh. Our status isn't showing, which is what the hell. We are all dead, I know. So can I spawn new people are fine. What happened? What'd you guys do? I can't even see their status. Oh! Maybe everyone just came to life and me like instantly. Maybe there's some sort of a lock condition. They were all locked trying to get to the... I don't... Be dead before Quasi comes back? I think they're just all trying to get to the same place. I'm not sure what's going on here. Going to gaming convention on Sunday. Awesome, Haystein. Yeah, interesting. That was pleasant. Hashtag pizza. Boxy Lego. Yeah, I think that's a good way to put it, Paprick. Boxy art style. Okay, well, the more important thing I wanted to get to today that we're running out of time to get on because we keep getting this damn UI window keeps distracting us. What? Zianger! Zianger, thank you so much for hitting that sub button. Welcome to the Jerk Squad. You now have access to our sub-only emotes like the Noses Quasi, the Cool, the Hammer Cool, the Cool Shark, and the Hype Z's. You also get access to our sub Discord where you can hang out with me and all the other subs 24 hours a day unless we're eating, sleeping, pooping, or dead. Please come join us on Discord, add your Twitch account, and you'll get your name in the credits of any game we release while you're still a sub to this channel. Thank you so very much. Mark Zorn, what's up, dude? Dropping that love and hype. What's up, Arago? How's it going? I'm not making a quasi-pixar anymore, but a golden horror face? Oh god, I can't wait to see this, Brian. I can't wait to see this. Zianger, welcome to the sub family. Please come join us on Discord. So let's just murder this panel. Let's just fix the status thing. That's the only thing I'm gonna look at. Status thing, current status. Current status. This is called by this and this. Yeah. So we're only updating the status if we have an actor, but also if the status is different, and if the status is wandering around for the last two actors, it's not going to update. But why is it being hidden in the first place? Yeah, it still should update. So we want to probably update the status when the item is set here. Is that better? As it's wandering around, it just shows the same. And if they have something to do, I imagine. Waiting for deliveries. Wait, he's waiting for deliveries? Had a coffee stand, had a coffee stand, had a coffee stand, had a coffee stand. Wandering around, wandering around, wandering around. Waiting for deliveries. Cool. It must be a deadline. Ooh, deadline for what, Sintasu? So, you guys remember all those injuries I got from PAX? Well, I survived TwitchCon without any injuries. But literally the day I got back from TwitchCon, I sliced open my thumb. So now using my left hand hurts a lot. So I'm trying to not use it to type as much. Okay, so we're gonna leave this panel alone. We did some decent progress on it, but it's driving me crazy. We're gonna switch to what was the high priority for today, which we didn't even get started on, which is saving and loading game information, which is gonna be one hell of a doozy. Where can you find the Discord link? Check it out here. Dropping that nose this Quasi. So for that, we're going to go to our game manager. We're We're gonna go to our game state manager, I think. No, I don't want to do it here. Game manager does enough, so you probably don't want to do like a loader, game loader, data loader. What do we call it? We're gonna use the same base we used from Haunted House Tycoon, which I guess I don't have on this computer. Let's go over to Bitbucket. So Haunted House Tycoon. Does anyone give away games in here anymore? Hint, hint, wink, wink. There were like 5 keys given away today already. For episode we've been working on the past 9 months. A medical insurance company. Cool, dude. Well, good luck on the deadline. Hope it all goes well. So Haunted House Tycoon had pretty decent management. Or data something. We called it... Oh, data loader. Yes. So I'm going to download this class. Save it to Convention Tycoon. Gotta go see you, Haystein. Have a good one. You're moving to Greenville, South Carolina. Does SC stand for South Carolina? Why are you moving there, Grindel? Here's our data loader from Spooky Tycoon, or Haunted House Tycoon. It was one of the previous games we prototyped here on stream. So Spooky Tycoon had this class called Data Loader, which had a save path, file type. We're gonna call our file type .con for Convention Tycoon. Saves it to the data path. If the directory exists, create the directory. Save file, simple, saves this file to a directory that's required or it's given. Load file, simple. And we have this thing called level layout, which is not the class we're going to use. So that's probably giving a compiler error because, oh, this class is right here. I have a Reddit link for you. Want it? Yeah, sure. We chose between Greenville, South Carolina or Schenectady, New York. Oh, cool. My wife got a job. She's a positive contributor. She's the positive contributor to society. Hey, man. Schenectady is basically hell, but with more snow. This is true. This is very true. At least South Carolina's better weather, right? Minisim Devlog 10. Cool. Thanks, man. If you want more details, please watch the devlog video. The structure is amazing. Cool. I'll check it out after the stream. Thanks, man. Question mark is a number. DJG coming in with the keys. Oh my god, what a jerk. What a jerk! He told us, he made us wonder where the keys were and then dropped one. So we have level layout, we have level item. So I had to remember I wrote this generic enough so I could use it again, which is cool. So here we're serializing level layouts and we're serializing level items. So this should at least allow us to save and load the level, and then we'll have to write the stuff to save and load the characters and actors and all kinds of crap. There's a lot of stuff to save in this game. Brian got it again. Nice. Best game ever. What was the game? So now save level gets past the level layout. So we need to actually pass this in. And a level layout is a list of level items. Level items is a list of prefab names, and then vector 3 positions, rotation, scales, etc. Literally a paid version of Farmville, Farming World. Interesting. So we have so much more, right? Our Haunted House Tycoon was a little bit easier because it was just a level editor that we were saving and loading. It was just this item goes here, this item goes there, this is the size. Convention Tycoon's a lot more than that. Just something like saying a beanbag chair is here. We're probably going to track the beanbag's visits and stats and stuff like that. Even just recreating a booth. We want to store this booth. It's easy enough to store the prefab of it. But, oh my god, my head is hurting just thinking about this. We have to store the information about the booth, the name of the vendor. I guess all we really need is the name of the vendor for now. We have to store where all the people are, and that's going to be interesting. If the booth is built or not. Wow. Okay. So let's create a new class. We're going to call this level loader. Level loader is just what's going to actually build and load our levels and save our levels as well. And it's going to work together with data loader. Man, this is going to be scary. This is scary stuff. I'm scared. Hope you guys are as scared as I am. If you're as scared as I am, please drop some scaredy cats in chat. So let's start small. Let's not try to bite off everything at one time. Let's start small by loading this one little speck of dust right over there. We'll start by loading items. So let's see how are items made. Currently, the player cursor, I believe, draws items. Zianger is scared. I'm glad you're scared, Zianger. I am too. So here's where we create items. So place item is the method we call. We spawn some item at some position at some rotation. Castane with the scaredy cat. You need Twitch Prime. Here's where it spawns the item. And does it just put it into the world? Let's see. If we draw a beanbag chair, it just drops into the world. Okay. No cat for me. Oh, Cassin has the cat. Cassin has their own cat. So, okay, so we want to start keeping these stored in one place. So where is our player cursor? This is it. So under our player cursor, we're going to create some folders. So we're going to say private transform spawned items. Do you want to put it here or do you want to put it in level loader? So we can just keep it here. It's a private game object. Spawned items. You know, I want to store them all in one place. So I'm going to make level loader its own object. It's going to have level loader and it's going to have the data loader. And then the game manager is going to know where this is, of course. I'm going to be the best farmer in the world. I believe in you. I believe in you, Brian. Level loader, level loader. We'll put it inside of, we'll put it inside the game manager. So now, level loader, in here, we'll have some, so we'll have public, or not public, private game objects, items, NPCs. Is there anything else in the game? That's all we care about for now, I guess. Have method public void item spawned. Item, some item. And public void actor spawned. Actor, some actor. Now I think we're already putting actors somewhere. If we go to our NPC spawner, I think it tries to keep actors inside of itself or something. So if we go to spawn, actor equals spawn NPC. So NPC manager, spawn NPC. So somewhere in here we do transform set parent transform. So we're storing all the NPCs inside of the NPC manager. Instead of doing that here, we're gonna do game manager.minstance level loader actor spawned, and we'll pass in the actor. I'm short $1.48 to get Viking Squad. Huh. You know, Devin, you just reminded me about something. You just reminded me of something very important. What? Someone got H2. Welcome. Summer, thank you so much for hitting that sub button. Welcome to the Jerk Squad. I know you've been around for a while, so I very, very much appreciate you hitting that sub button and showing your support and choosing us to be your Twitch Prime sub. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Please come join us on Discord. Please drop all your new emotes. And remember that as long as any games we make, as long as you're a sub on this channel, you'll have your name in the credits of that game. Thank you so much for your support and for being awesome. Speaking of Viking Squad, who would be interested in a Viking Squad Steam key giveaway given to me by the developers of Viking Squad that I totally forgot I have and I totally want to give to you guys? So if you guys are interested in a giveaway, type exclamation, "The bats ate my cats and now I'm wearing shorts" in chat. And depending on how many people are interested, and actually type that full sentence, we'll do a giveaway for Viking Squad. So remember, that's exclamation, "The bats ate my cats and now I'm wearing shorts." I think that's what I said. I actually don't remember entirely what I said. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. But I do have a Steam key for Viking Squad. Oh no, I need Adobe Air. Summering, thank you so much for that support. Dropping that hype Z. Devin dropping that hype Z and that love. Bat ate my cat and now I'm wearing shorts. The bat ate my chat and now I'm wearing shorts. The cats ate my bats and now I'm not wearing shorts. The bats ate my cats, now I'm wearing shorts. You're talking really fast. I can't really understand you. I'm sorry, Mr. Moisey. This guy would. Bat ate my cats and now I'm wearing shorts. Love it. You guys are awesome and amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got a lot of bats ate my cats. All right, let me install Adobe Air so we can do a giveaway. Oh, Vanny, the hype command is gone. What? Just, what? Adobe Air. What? How do you install Adobe Air on Windows 10? Download? Download should start shortly. Oh, it's EXE this time. Hashtag banana hoodie GT Christ. We're at 74 subs, guys. 74 subs, which means 26 more subs until we get to 2 new emotes. And remember, if you have Adobe, if you have Amazon Prime, you now get 1 free sub. Okay, getting Adobe Air so I can do the giveaway thing. But for now, let's just keep continuing on this while we get ready for the giveaway. Can we get some clarity on this? No. No. Player cursors, where we spawn the items. So here we're gonna say actor item spawned. Okay. And our spawner is one. This is gonna take care of our stuff. It's gonna organize our stuff for us, guys. I promise. Is my giveaway tool ready? Adobe Air, where are you? There you are. I agree. I agree to all the things. Install whatever you want. Whatever it takes, Adobe Air. Whatever it takes. The bats ate my cats and now I am wearing shorts. Install. Continue. You need to change title of stream to no sleep till sub goal. 26 more to go. Oh my god, soon. That would be difficult. Alright, let's get ready for our Viking Squad giveaway. Yay. Load names. My name is Quasi TV Face. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Can we get some hype and drop my bot? Let's drop. Where's the other one? Moobot? Where's Moobot? Moobot, go away. You're gone, Moobot. You guys ready? It's time to give away. So Viking Squad! It's Viking Squad giveaway time! Here we go! Get your pants ready! Somebody is about to walk away with a Steam T2 Viking Squad, and it's going to be, maybe it's Zoot, maybe it's Devin, maybe oh my god, these things are going really fast. Maybe it's, I can't, Nopal, maybe it's Zune, maybe it's my mom, maybe it's Asimbi, maybe it's Dzilla, maybe it's Nopal's cousin. It could be H Monkey, Devin, Chromix, Flynn, Flintsteel, Sive, Antimatter, Brian, Jay Grindle, so close! Brian, you were so close! Jay Grindle, you have 30 seconds to say something in chat to claim your Viking Squad Steam key! 0.7 seconds. Say something. Say anything. And it is yours. The key is yours to command. Slug Knight never lucky. 19, 18, 17, 17, 18, 19, 14, 33, 32. Jay, where are you? Oh no, I think he's dead. Uh-oh. I don't think he's here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rip. Rip. Jay, you missed your Steam key, which means we are gonna have to roll again. It's Vikings Squad Giveaway Time Part 2, the sequel, the return, the reckoning. One more chance to enter, one more chance to win, guys. I'm an international hate symbol, what? Here we go, who's it gonna be? Is it gonna be Slug Knight? Is it gonna be GT Grace? Is it gonna be DJG? Is it gonna be Chrominator? Is it gonna be Zive? Is it gonna be Blunty? The winner is not H Monkey, not GT Grace, not Vandy, not Bramby, not JFrap, but Blunty! Hashtag reroll hype times 99. Blunt 2 and or Blunty. You have 30 seconds to say something in chat. Show yourself and you win yourself a Viking Squad Steam key, a 2D brawler that just released on Steam, I think like 2 days ago. It's a brand new game. 20 seconds. Where are you? Say something. Please. Please. Don't be dead. Deviant Muffin, no, I'm sorry. Close, I know it was close. 9 seconds, oh my gosh, where's everybody? Bam, bam, bam. Watch it be a double reroll, looks like it's gonna be. Rip, rip, and a rip, and a rip, which means we keep rolling because we're giving away Viking Squad. 98 buttons of rolls on my wall. Take it down, pass it around. 98 buttons of roll on the wall. Nobody wants this key, apparently. Here we go again. Round 6. Your chances keep getting higher as we keep dropping people from the giveaway. Just give it to me and save yourself time. Fail, fail, fail. Vandy, Dinero, H Monkey, Brian, Flintsteel, JFrap. JFrap 12. Are you here, sir? Are you around? You have 30 seconds to say something. Say anything, Jay. Don't be dead. William Morcar, your name wasn't there. I'm sorry. Well, if JFrap isn't here, we might have to roll again. Ten seconds. Oh my god, at this point, I'm just going to give it to whoever I want. Damn it, JFrap, where are you? Time's up. This is comedy gold. 2 years later, we're still re-rolling. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's reload the names. New people in chat. New people in chat. Are they ever going to be here? I don't know. They're all dead. Everybody's dead. Alright, let's try this again. You passed your name. Hashtag rigged. Viking Squad giveaway round 4. If it doesn't happen this time, I'm not giving it to anybody. I'm keeping it for myself, you jerks. I'll take it if nobody wants it. What is the game? The game is Viking Squad, a 2D brawler that just came out on Steam where you play as epic Vikings. Let's see, round 4, 5, or 5 we're on. And this time it's Noble. Noble, are you here? Are you around? You have 29 seconds to show yourself. You know this guy will actually play it. I know, Devin. You're the one that brought it up. Noble, where art thou? Someone out there, call Noble. Alright, it's the last row. After this, we'll just do the, sorry, Slark. I'm sorry. Don't answer, you jerk. Alright, I have a better solution this time. Where's my Moobot? I think Moobot, we're just gonna do a regular old Moobot one. Have people watching aren't actually here. They'll just wait for Noble is currently unavailable. Moving on. Alright. We're gonna do a how do you do the one from Moobot? This is the one where Open. The raffle has entries in it. Do you want to reset the raffle? Reset raffle. Open new raffle. Exclamation raffle to enter. All right, guys. Exclamation raffle to enter the raffle. Exclamation raffle to enter the actual giveaway. The actual giveaway. And we'll do a legitimate raffle where you guys have to type it to enter. So let's hopefully this is working. This is a thing. I wish it would user list. Chat raffle. Okay. Open your raffle, enter in chat. Exclamation raffle to enter. You only need to enter once because it doesn't matter. See, all these amazing souls who wanted the game. I can't believe none of you guys won any of those times. You beautiful people who wanted the game this whole time. What's free sub, Deviant Muffin? If you have Amazon Prime, you now get 1 free sub a month on Twitch. Raffle copter. All right. We're closing it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Butts. Close. Draw. And the winner is GT Crace. Announced as winner in chat. GT Crace has won the raffle. Was that a keyword? Butts? Butts? GT Grace has won the key. After long last, we have a genuine winner. Write private message. No, I don't want to do that. So let's whisper this to GT Grace. It's A777 Z exclamation mark 12. Is that a 0 or an O? Actually, is that a 0 or an O? GT Craze is either a 0 or an O. So I'm not sure which one. It's one or the other. 1764 Z Y Z Z Y. Wait, I got this right? It's really hard to do it from paper and then put it on the computers. So it's either a 0 or an O. Oh, GT Craze. I'm sorry if I got it wrong. What did you win? You won a Steam key too? Viking Squad, a lane-based brawler just released on Steam 2 days ago. Created by my great friends at Slick Entertainment. Did I got it right? I think I got it right. Is it? You got it right? I think I got it right. Good luck, GT Grace. 1 year of free anemas? What's an anema? That's why zeros have to have a line through them. Right! Right, Cassane? Zeros have to have a line through them. But guys, the game we just gave away is this game called Viking Squad, and it's a lane-based brawler. It's like the old Ninja Turtle games and Power Ranger games, but extra awesome with crazy art and Vikings. And maybe it'll load. Brian actually wrote it down. It's got local multiplayer and online multiplayer, and you play as these crazy-ass Vikings on crazy adventures. There's mounts, and you guys know I love mounts in my games. There's wolves, and there's animal characters, and there's fishes, and there's Vikings and fishes, and lots of loot. It's a crazy game. It's a crazy game made by some amazing... It's made by 3 people. 3 people. One guy did all the art, one guy did all the code, and one guy did all the design, I believe. Back to work, though. So items equals new game object. Items dot transform dot set parent. This transform. So we're going to create our 2 folders for items and NPCs. Vikings, fishes. What are we, Norwegian here or something? Reminds you of Golden Axe. Ooh, yeah. So that was our Viking Squad giveaway. We will do another Viking Squad giveaway on Monday if someone reminds me, because I'm totally going to forget. We will give away another Viking Squad's key on Monday, on our Monday stream. Mobile CPUs are amazing these days, but mobile GPUs are poop. Yeah, right? Right, Virens? It's so hard to code for mobile GPUs. I'm scared about that with Convention Tycoon, because people expect Tycoon games to work on lower-end machines. But Convention Tycoon's 3D, it requires a lot. I was aware enough to type raffle, had no idea what it was for. Damn it, GT Grace. Well, hopefully you enjoy the game. Alright, so we have our parents now. So when something is spawned, we're going to say transform.setParent. Items. And actor. This is going to be NPCs. Transform. So basically what should happen now is we have all of our NPCs and actors and all that crap organized in our level loader. Maybe next month, free sub goes for you. Oh, thanks, William Warcry. I appreciate that. I should already name these transforms, but I can see if I spawn NPCs now, they're all spawning. Oops, I lost it. I lost it. Got clicked on the floor. So everything's spawning inside this one transform, if you guys can see it, yeah. So they're all spawning in here, and if I put items down now, if I put a beanbag chair down, you can see all our beanbag chairs. Wait, what? Just happened? Oh. After we spawned it, it went away. It went back out here. Interesting. You finished the pixel art and you failed? What do you mean, Brian? Let me see. I just want to make sure we set the items. So items dot name equals items. And NPCs dot name equals NPCs. Now something about these items they're changing their transform, it seems. So level loader, item spawned, item. Item on buy, item on place, item spawn, on placed, on buy. So look at placed. There's a method here called after placed. Shakes the screen. So why is it? Items.transform. Seems after I place the item, it's removing itself from the list. Phones are hitting a limit with CPU and GPU. This is causing manufacturers to try and push it too much, and then you have exploding phones. Is that why? Oh, this looks awesome. This looks amazing. I look like a potato. At least Samsungs don't have bendy phones. Ooh, the war begins. You're exploding phones only when they're called Samsung. Yeah, it's really, I flew a lot this last couple of weeks, and it's for every flight they make people turn their Samsung phones off, the Galaxy or whatever. This looks amazing. I love it. I gotta save it. I look like a potato. I think the only reason it ended up looking odd was because you probably tried to use too many tones for the skin. But I don't care. I freaking love it. It's freaking awesome. I look so derpy. It's a golden horror face. This is what I look like. I can make that face. I just need some lipstick. This looks great. Thank you so much. I love it. I had my phone bend and explode in my ear. Either was I have a Windows phone. Do you have a Windows phone, GT Grace? You're the first person I met in the world who has a Windows phone. So somewhere in here, we're setting the parent. Set parent. Set. Okay, let's go Control-Shift-F. 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 Set parent. Let's look for all of our set parents. So booth button tab, it's fine. Event listing, character creator, hair. Level loader, look camera, actor, 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 draw cursor, area label, inbox view, Twitch IRC, show station tabs. Who the hell the fuck is moving our items? Who is moving our items? This is when you place an item. Calling item spawned. Interesting. Let's try this again. You saw that Nokia model brick? What? So beanbag chair. Click. It's... Oh, I'm putting the wrong thing in here. I'm not passing the spawned item. So this is bad code, right? This variable is called I, so I was kind of ignoring it. This should be called spawned item. Way more clear, because what I was putting, I was sending over the item from the menu instead of the actual item in the world. Damn it, Brian with the clip. Mushy Crow Volcania. What? Please don't tell me you saved the clip of me making that face. Okay, so now all of our beanbags are stored nicely and safely inside our items folder. You're gonna paint on that or GIMP for simple 2D design? I would recommend. You mean simple 2D? Do you mean pixel art or do you mean painting? I guess I'd recommend GIMP because I use Paint.net and GIMP quite a bit on my laptop, and Paint.net makes me so angry. Makes me so angry. GIMP is probably a little bit better. Paint.net, but a lot of the UI and decisions in Paint.net really frustrate me. It's for pixel art though. Graphic scale is free, and that's way better. And pixel art is $8. And there's a couple of new pixel art tools that have been coming out. They're all great. But if you mean for painting and stuff, like yeah, GIMP, I guess. Manga Studio is cheaper. It's fairly cheap too. Or Clip Studio Paint is like $45 or something. All right. So back to level loading. So saving and loading level data. Hey. Okay, just making sure. My stream was suddenly showing us offline real quick, but I guess we're good, right? Someone quick grab that quasi face and put it on everyone. Oh God, no, please. Please. So now we have our level loader has a reference to all of our items. So let's create our level loader. So it's going to say public void save game. Are we using it for pixel art? Thank you for your answer. Of course, yeah. Happy to help. I use graphic scale a lot for pixel art. It's very raw and rudimentary, but it's nice. It's got really sweet animation tools. I use pixel art now. It's like $9 or $12 or something, but it's freaking amazing. It's not good for large pixel art paintings, though. For large pixel art paintings, like graphic scale or Photoshop or GIMP is pretty good. But yeah, GIMP is pretty good for pixel art. It's pretty straightforward. So save game. Close all this crap. Open up data loader. So again, we want to create a list of level items. Now our level is going to be a little bit more than that. We're probably going to have level layout, and then we're probably going to have a class called, I guess we call it actor layout. It's going to be a list of all of our actors. And we're going to have a different class for that. Is this Java? This is C#. What's up, Talamo? How's it going? My game seems to be coming together nicely. It's a simple idea, but I think those are the best ideas. I totally agree, dude. What's your idea? If you want to share. Scriptonite, how's it going? So to save game, it's going to be pretty easy at first, right? We need to just create a bunch of level items. So we need to create a new list of a level layout. So we're going to say level layout. Oops. Level layout. Layout equals new level layout. And then we're going to iterate over all of our children in items. So I is items.childCount. Items.transform.childCount. Get all of our children. So we're going to say, you know, we could just, no. We could store a list of it all the time, but why, right? We don't need it all the time. Gaming Chipmunk, hello, how's it going? C# or dubstep? I read DB as dubstep for some reason. C# is very similar to Java. It is, yeah. They're very, 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 very similar. Things are going good. How are you doing? I'm good. Wrestling with video games and trying to make video games listen to me. But other than that, going well. Transform item equals items.getChild. Damn it. Items.transform.getChild0. So right now, for anyone just tuning in, we are working on saving and loading data for Convention Tycoon. If you haven't seen the game before, this is it. It's a game where you create and manage your own video game convention. You can do things like invite booths to come show their games at your convention, invite artists to sell their stuff, get a ball pit, get a coffee stand, and most importantly, have very, very fancy panels in bathrooms. Over time, you get more and more guests in your convention who you have to manage, and fix their expectations, make sure they're not hungry, make sure they're happy, make sure they don't die, make sure they don't come back as zombies. Whoa! That guy has a what-the-box head. I forgot that was one of the possible heads. Look, his head's a cardboard box. It's awesome. You're working on saving loading. Perfect timing for my devlog then. It is, yeah. Right now I'm just going to do like the basic part and then work slowly get into the more advanced parts. Invite boobs? You can't just invite a single boob. You can only invite a single booth. But look, that guy has a what-the-box head. Oh, nobody visiting this panel. Oh, you can also hire staff members. Oh, that guy's drinking his coffee. So let's hire some happy-go-lucky staff members and some haulers. And we can even visit this ball pit for ourselves. Hey, where'd you go? Come back. Oh crap. We broke the buttons, guys. Good thing we caught that. The buttons are in the wrong layer now. So we've got to go to our canvas, actor details, our tab buttons, body, stats tab. What? What's covering it? Is this covering it? One of these UI elements are covering our actual follow buttons. I think it's this. Is it this? What's up? Welcome back, Brian. Canvas renderer? No. What? No. This? No. This? No. This? No. Something is covering it. Here's our stats tab. There's the panel. These are the buttons. Buttons are still hooked up fine. But someone is covering... Is it this? Could be this. Then I promise to recreate a pixelated quasi 1-to-1 scale, of course. Yeah, someone's covering, as you can see, I can't click on these buttons because something is covering it. You can click on the close button. But who could be covering it? Not this, it's not this. These are below, sick icon. Oh, it's this text. Oops. Let's put that up there. And nope, no, it wasn't the text. Is this icon? Maybe. Nope, wasn't that either. One of these jerks are covering this panel. I can see that rectangle there. What does it belong to? Why does a sick icon have so many things in it? Let's do not raycast target. When will the cooldown sketch be, Brian? In like 20 minutes or so. Finish your MSRPG. Cool. What's the name of the game, Smokey? It's these buttons. Who is keeping us away from these buttons? Where do we move? Is it because the other ones are still showing? Oh, interesting. There's definitely, so it's a bug with our panel layout then. Now we can pick people up, look in their eye holes, see the convention from their point of view. Huh. So what's going on with that panel? This detail panel's just been our arch nemesis all day. So you can see here, it's not, for some reason it's not initializing the first tab by default. Something we'll look into later. What's the game you're working on, or you worked on, Smokey? So here we have our items. We're going to get our items. And then we're going to say level item. Level item equals, so how does a level item work? Let's take a look. Level item needs the prefab name, position, rotation, and scale. Control U, Brian. It's called quest.io. Cool. That's not the website though. Hashtag control me senpai better than notice me senpai. So a level item needs a name of the prefab, position, rotation, and scale. The question is how we're going to find out the name of the prefab. Well, let's go look at our item class. So our item class needs to know, so to rebuild our levels, we need to know the prefab that we're building. quests.ga. Cool. Try and log in. I think it's loading. Is it loading? New character? You take up the following terms. None right now, just continue. Okay. Create new character. Character name, Quasi. Password, something. What's at gmail.com. Username or password you entered is correct. How's that possible? I'm confused. There we go. Oh, it's me. Anybody else in the world? See you, Virans. Have a good one. There's Devin. I'm gonna murder you. I'm gonna murder you. You're dead. You're dead. Attack. Attack. Oh. Hey, it's the... New achievement, small talk. Hello. It's being a party. Hi. This is cool. Let's play a game inviting you to explore the world of adventures from your web browser. Hey, Chipmunk. How are you guys fighting stuff? Oh. Ah, taking it. Hello, Mr. Wizard. I don't want to talk to you. I'm gonna kill these rats. Oh no, I'm gonna die! Guys, where's everybody? Ooh, free sword. This is cool, man. How long have you been working on this? Get wrecked. Do I have like a bag somewhere? Hi. Sword! A week? Really? Wow. It's impressive. So is it just you or is other people working on the project? HTML 5 shields. Nice. Let's go this way. Hello, Mr. Krabby, guys. You guys don't look friendly. I'm just gonna... Oh! Hey! Hey! I don't want no trouble. I don't want no trouble. Just hanging out. Just... Oh, hello, it's a cool sunglass guy. Just a Quasi going this way. This is very cool, dude. Who's that? Hey, it's Devin again. What's up, Kason? Wish I could just like, I wish it was like a hug. This is cool. Hey, it's Smokey. Oh, you're an NPC. There's Nerd Butt. So is it one centralized server? You don't have Socket.io and Node.js. Cool. Yeah, how many of you guys made this? Because I see art, I see music, I see sound effects. Come on, Chipmunk. This is one server. This is awesome. R is in the credits in the footer. Click anywhere to close. There's not credits. I don't know where the credits is. Oh, down here. Art by this guy, code by this guy. Are you the code guy or the art guy? Oh, wait, I want to follow you on Twitter. This is really cool, dude. I can't wait to see the progress on this. This is fucking awesome. And you guys are saying a week? What? How did your artist even pump out all this art in a week? I followed you on Twitter. What? You guys don't even have any tweets? Where's all the tweets? There's no tweets. Why did I even follow? There's no tweets. Where's the screenshots and the GIFs and the tweets? I see sound effects. Damn it, JFrap. Look, you weren't even here to claim your Steam key, okay? Don't you go backsashing me. So items need a public string prefab name. By the way, guys, we were just playing Smokey's new MMO, a new IO-like MMO-like game called Quest.io, I believe, right? So definitely check it out. It's at quest.ga, I believe is the website. Why don't you guys have Quest.io? Was that domain unavailable? I just turned into a Firefox? What? Walked by, so I came on the stream and there was a third person when he walked by, but I didn't see him. Oh, interesting. So we need a prefab name to actually load our prefabs. Then we need something that actually keeps a reference to all of our prefabs. So level item equals new level item. Item. Get child I. Get component item. Evoke TV, how's it going? So level item is a new item. So item.prefab name, item.position, item.transform.position, item.transform.rotation. Well, that's a quaternion. We want local Euler angles. And item.transform.scale. So we store our level item. You have enough games as it is, 130 plus. Oh man, you have a problem. Will Warcry, you can't play it? You can't, why not? Devin Bremer, you got crabs? Damn, I would love to make something kind of like that, Smokey. Like a small, tiny, online-based little thing. I've had some ideas for something for the stream that'd be kind of like that experience for a while. And now you just like tickled my fancy to want to do it again. But we got to focus on this game. I have 8, 2 free-to-play, 2 from giveaways, 4 bought outside of Steam. I have a couple free-to-play and 2 paid games in total. So we're going to say layout. So we need a public void add item, or yeah, add item, level item, item, and this should be private. And there should be layout, add, item. You have 12 games? Oh, I envy that. So layout dot add item, level item. So now we've stored a list of level layouts. And then we should be able to go to data loader and be like, yo, save our level, yo. We need a reference to it though. So private data loader. Loader or data. So this requires a data loader. I don't even know if this needs to be a mono behavior, to be honest. Right? This doesn't do anything that's mono behavior-ish. Can this just be a class? I think so. Oh, where's my thing? Tools, options, scroll bar. Map mode, wide. Oh yeah. Do Unity kill the ability to animate UI objects with the old animation component? Are we forced to use animation mechanism now? I don't know. I never tried with the old way in the first place. You found Neon Cat in the game? Oh my god, that's awesome. Call the convention Potato Con Toilet Edition. Save game. So we should be able to say, if we take this away, we just say data equals new data loader. And then save game, say data dot save level. We pass in the layout. Or give it a name. So we're gonna call this Devin Brimer. So save level Devin Brimer. And we want to load the level. So we're going to say, we're going to put some just testing stuff. So an update if input.getKeyDown keycode.a, then data.loadLevel Devin Breimer. So what should happen is if we save our level, reload it, it should load what we had last time. Now I'm a damn level in Quasi World now. The problem is our prefabs aren't set up for that. We don't actually, no, this is not going to work at all. We're not doing anything with the loaded level, I just realized. Load level returns a level layout. We need to actually do something with it. So public void load game takes a level layout. So nothing's going to happen if we just do load level. So if we do load game, load level. If layout equals null, return. So we'll have to actually rebuild the level somehow. Some kind of magic here. Should be fun. So let's go to our prefabs, our resources, items. So here's all our prefabs so far. Now all of our prefabs now have a public string prefab name. And I wish I knew editor scripting better. We want to just set this to be the same as this. Because when they're spawned, it's a little bit different. Oh, what? So we're just gonna divider curtain, hand sanitizer, pizza station, round table with chairs, and trash. Okay. Now we have a list of these somewhere, I believe. Let's see. Resources. Character creator, no. Enhanced hierarchy, no. Alert manager, no. Where the hell do we do it? It's in our canvas. Buttons, items. Menu button tab. Item button. What? Where do we actually load our buttons? Let's see, items. So inventory view, level loader, actor, area floor, data loader, inventory, item. Menu button tab. Users load all game object resources folder, add button. Okay, so this is where we're doing it. We're not actually storing a reference to it anywhere. So in our level loader, we want a dictionary. Using system.collections.generic. I found a boss. He is a massive skeleton. What? Show us a screenshot. So it's going to be a dictionary of type string and item. This is going to be our item library. Item prefab library. So we're going to have load items. And what that's going to do is going to go through our resources folder. So we're going to move all of this code out from here, which, where the hell is it getting this? Oh, it's a serialized string. I see. So we're going to load all the stuff in our level loader, and then our button thing will reference that itself. So this is going to be items, resources folder. So our level loader, it's got a null reference accept or a thingy. So this needs to go here and here. And then we're going to add it to our dictionary. We'll do that in a second. Okay. So our items resources folder is going to be items. So now we'll have a dictionary of all of our items. So if say item prefab dictionary, a library.add. And it's going to be item.prefab name and item. So now we have a whole dictionary of all of our items. We're going to make sure we call this on awake. So load items. And now this button tab here, we don't want to be doing this anymore. So we need a reference for all of the buttons. This happens, create panel happens on start, cool. So in level loader, we can create a list of items, all item prefab. And that just returns item prefab library dot values dot toList. So here we can say add button. What does that do? Create panel. All right, so we're going to say list of items, all items equals game manager dot loader dot all, or what did I just call this? Public all item prefabs. Somebody that I hired this month, it did, JJ. Yeah, huge thanks to like the whole Amazon Prime stuff. You got a picture of the boss? Oh, that's epic. That's so cool. And he's got a little chair for himself. I thought the chair was on his head, but he's standing in front of the chair. Dude, how did you guys make so much art in a week? That's insane. I didn't choose you. Didn't realize it has already been a month. No worries, JJ. So here's a list of all our items. Now we're going to iterate over all of our items. And we're going to add that button. So our items are loaded by level loader, and then our button adds them here. The art was made before the game. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. You wrote the back end in a week. That's crazy. That's awesome. Because you don't Lord of the Rings reference in the game. I saw there's a lot of Easter eggs in the game, it seems. Is it more expensive to sub now? No, it's still $4.99 to sub. If you have Amazon Prime, you also get a free sub. But you can still sub regularly for $4.99. All right. So we should, let's see, let's make sure our items are loading properly now. Like our button of items. So this, yep, still loading properly. Which means that our level loader has all the proper libraries. So now if we want to recreate our items on load game, we got a level layout. Then we're going to iterate over the layout items. So we're going to iterate over all the items. Hello? Oh, layout. Sorry. Wait, what? Layout.layout? Crap. Why is this called layout? This is a list of their items. Let's call this items. Rename this to items. No, I don't want to do all that. Just want to do it once. Items and items. JJ with the scaredy cat. So layout.items.count. Iterate over all of our items. And Slark Knight with the scaredy cat and the one flip. Now, who actually draws our items? So we do them by here by going. So this is how we spawn our items, but that doesn't really matter. So if we just say items spawned equals layout items at I dot spawn. No? Oh, it's a level item. Crap. Oh, so item prefab equals item library. Item prefab library, right? Okay, so let's do one at a time. Will with the scaredy cat. So we're gonna say if item prefab library dot contains key. We're gonna start some values here. So level item equals layout items at I. For dictionary contains the key item dot prefab name. Then we're gonna say item dot spawned equals item prefab library at item dot prefab name. Dot spawn. So we're gonna spawn our item. If it has been spawned, if we have our prefab spawn now, Brian with the cool cat. Making the emoji, did you have to follow a theme? They told me kind of what they wanted, like the meme they wanted to make an emote for, and then I kind of did my own style of it. So if spawned exists, we're gonna say spawned. Oops. Spawned.position, spawn.transform.position equals item.position, spawn.transform.rotation, or no, local Euler angles equals item.local Euler angles, are called item.rotation. What's the problem? Spawned.transform.position equals item.position. Oh, you have to cast these to a vector 3. How do you do that? Serialize vector 3, public vector 3, vector 3. Okay. Could just do a get set here, I think. When you return this, public class serialize vector 3. Then we're going to do spawn.transform.local scale equals item.scale.vector 3. Do wish, how can we do this better? Yes, can we just do this? Get turn position.vector 3, but set. I'll have to save another thing. So private serialized. So you can actually serialize vector 3, so this is the other way to do it. So you make your own class. So return this, and position equals value. Can do that. No, because you're returning a different value altogether, so never mind. What's up, Defexer? Are you guys all just spamming random emotes? What's going on here? This is how we're going to spawn it, and then we're going to say item spawn. We've got to make sure we keep track of it. So item spawned, spawned. So we save our game, and then we load our game. Let's see if that actually does the shit. So we're going to put some simple items. Let's put beanbag, 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 beanbag. I never actually made a way to save the game. Where do we actually call save game? Here. So save game should take a string, level name, so we're going to call save game Devin Brimer. So A and S. S will be save, A will be load. Okay, so beanbag, 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 beanbag. S to save. Save to devinbriver.con. Oh, it looks like .com kind of. So I turn off the game, turn it back on, press A, and it reloads our beanbags where we wanted them. So we've got item loading. Now it's only going to work for items. So all of our systems are a little bit different, right? So items are easy enough to load. So if I put a ball pit, coffee stand, a couple hand sanitizer stations, and a pizza shop, S to save, turn the game off, turn the game back on, A, and you can see it reloaded those things almost right. It doesn't call on placed, which it needs to let the item know that it's already a thing there. Probably a lot of things missing in terms of setup as well. So we do need to call spawn.onPlaced. We have to tell this thing not to screen shake probably. Because now it's going to be like crazy amount of screen shake. What does the save file look like? It just looks like a bunch of gibberish. It's like a serialized file, so it's like unreadable. Yeah. So bool is loaded, is forced. It's false. Obstacle that enabled equals true. I think this should be here. And here we're gonna say if it is, or if not is forced, call after placed. What did I just do? What did I break? Area floor, public override on placed. Oh, bool is forced equals false. You're not allowing me to edit the save file? No. Then you can just make your convention whatever you want. Can I send a link in chat to my game? There's some new viewer, Smokey. Actually, Smokey, one of the rules in chat is to avoid self-promoting yourself. So it's always better to talk to me or any other streamers about you know, wanting to promote your game, as opposed to just asking to do it in chat. I have no idea what I'm doing with this animator mechanism. I'm just going nuts. Devin, what's happening to you? Artist booth, coffee stand, divider, ball pit, and then save and load. Okay, cool. Forgot to send the Boolean on place to be true. Okay, so we've got item placement. Let's see if we could, let's see if we could get like the bare bones of actor placement going. What's up, Slark Knight? Prime. The bare bones of actor placement. Is Java good? Java's fine. Turtles? I don't know. I was more thinking frogs. So we have level layout. We want to have our actor layout. This is a list of... What can we do? What's an actor? Oops. So spawn actor. Spawn NPC. COBOL is better. Damn it. So an NPC is normally just some of these things, right? It's let's make a class for it. For that, we're gonna have to dock this window. We need to see both. So an MTC actor layout is gonna be system.serializable. It's an application for a game the community plays on Steam. Oh, nice. Public class actor item. And an actor item is going to be obviously public string actor name. It's the name of the person. I want a game that's going to teach me how to program. Cool. I think some people have worked on something similar. Nothing I can think off the top of my head though. So we have their name. We need to know their type. Public actor type. Actor type. Assembly. That's right. Assembly is the ultimate language. If you don't know assembly, then you'll never be in assembly. Item. So it also has a level item, so we know where, what, where it is in the world and stuff. We need the we need to rebuild the prefab. I have no idea how we're gonna do that. Give me a name of a game that does that. I think Halo 5 does it. We need a way to rebuild our NPC. That's gonna be super interesting. Because our NPC is created by this generator. So goddamn. Modeling has officially begun. What? What the hell is this? Is that the face I made earlier? Oh my god. Also, where'd you find that really sexy picture of my body? Hey, Space Bob, how's it going? Sorry you're late. You're never late. Whenever you hear is the best time. So, question is, can we just serialize this bastard? Guess not, because of mono behavior, right? Serialize this at least. Inventory is serializable, which is great. Actor has an inventory. An actor has thoughts. And thought should be serializable. So system. That's serializable. So an actor is going to have a thought. So public list thoughts. Thoughts. I have the human resource machine. Pretty good game for mobile. I haven't played that. Nice biceps. Why, thank you, Slark Knight. Just serialize the serializer. What? It's too meta. It's too meta. So inventory, thoughts. Need to know their stats, which is their item stats. So an item has a info, which has item stats, which is serializable. Cool. So we need that. What else makes up an actor? I guess level items need stats too. So we have thoughts. We need their current state. Don't care about this stuff. Care about that stuff. We have their inventory. We don't know if they're holding something. We could worry about that later. And then we could rebuild them. We should be able to rebuild them mostly with this stuff. This is going to be a problem. You're starting to like Unity, Vandy? Nice. Glad to hear we can convert you. Okay, so now let's go back to the data loader. So there's all the crap we need to build an actor. So let's reorder this. We're going to say it's more like that. And this goes at the end. Let's make a constructor here. Select all of the items. This is not nearly enough, right? We still need to actually build the NPC. But for now, let's make them generated the same. So now, going back to our level loader, let's create a method here called save items and save. So void save items, void save actors, We need to store, so say level layout, current layout, this is going to be save items. We're something pretty similar for save actors. We're going to iterate over all of the actors. All the NPCs, I mean. NPCs, we're going to iterate over all our NPCs. We're going to say actor item. Actor equals NPCs, the get child, and get component actor. If this actor exists, then we have to build our actor. So level item is going to be our actors dot name. This doesn't really matter. Actor dot transform. This can just be an empty string actually. Is that we're going to store their stuff. Current layout that add item. Nope. So what the hell is our current layout? Our level layout. Our level layout has a list of items. So we're going to have a list of actors. Oh, level actors, I mean. Actor items. Call them actors or level actors? Feel like you figured out the animator? Nice. Congrats. Level item. Let's call this level actor. This makes more sense. Keeping everything that has to do with the level have to do with the level. So add actor takes a level actor. So this is why I like to use other, because you can just copy these methods over. All right, so our level layout consists of a list of items and actors. So we're going to iterate over all of our actors. We get their level item. So we're going to say level actor equals new level actor. I don't have all this stuff yet. So what do we know for sure? We know the actor name. So it's actor dot actor name. We know actor dot actor type. Actor dot current state. We need the actor's inventory. So actor dot inventory. Actor dot thought controller dot thoughts. Something we have public access to. Actor thoughts.cs. Public list thoughts. So it looks like we do have access to it. No? It's a list of thoughts. Thought controller is, oh, it's supposed to be a dot. That's why. Thoughts. You're 0.00002% less stupid now. Thermometer? What? We have our thoughts, and then we need our item stats. So actor dot. How do we get our actor stats? Actors dot item. Is there a shortcut to get their stats? You can say public item stat array stats is, oops, get return item dot, how does item have stats? God damn it. Damn you private variables. Item info dot stats. Okay. So guys, it does look like we're going to end up skipping cooldown. One second. It does look like we're going to end up skipping cooldown sketches today because I'm actually supposed to be at a museum at 6:30 and it is 6:21. And I'm still here trying to serialize item stats. So we'll save the cooldown sketch for Monday. Promise. 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 Empty promises. So now we can just go to our level loader and where were we? Here. Item actor dot stats. So what's wrong? Got our actor name. We've got our actor type. I'm sorry, Brian. I'm sorry. For anyone who doesn't know what cooldown sketches are, there's a part of the show where we draw random suggestions based on your ideas. So we're going to get back to that on Monday, hopefully. But loading and saving our levels is pretty important. So I'm trying to get as much time as we can into that before I have to go. So inventory is inventory. List of thoughts. Oh, and then the level item. All right. We have everything it takes to build an actor except for what they look like. You know, we don't care. We don't judge people based on what they look like. So it's what's inside that matters. It's their thoughts, inventory, and items that matter. Thanks, Flint Steel. Not leaving just yet. I have a few more minutes. We gotta get this. I want to see if this actually works. So then we're gonna say current layout, add actor, level actor. So now we've stored all our actors. We have to call save actors. Now we have load game. So here's void load items, void load actors. So this is load items. Is Carly going to the museum? Tell us if everything comes alive. Is that what you think happens in museums in the US now? Layout, layout. Museum of Quasiness. Hashtag draw my potato are depixelized. Alright, so we're going to iterate over all of the actors in the level layout. Periscope live stream of the museum visit confirmed. JK, I don't want to watch that. Damn. So our NPC manager is the guy who spawns all our crap. We tell them where and what, so we're going to say public. Who calls spawn NPC? The NPC spawner calls spawn NPC. And it stores a reference to these actors. And gives them a badge and crap. Huh. Public void load actor. Actor or level actor. So we'll call this for now. For each actor in this list, we're going to say game manager.minstance.npcmanager.loadActor, and we'll pass it in layout.actors@I. And we'll deal with all of that in our NPC manager because this is the guy who's actually well suited for doing this because it has lists of all the prefabs and stuff like that. For now, we're just going to spawn an NPC at the other.item.position.vector3 and the other.actor type. So for now, we're at least just going to respawn people where they were when we saved the game and see if that works at least. See it on TV, then it must be true. Or we're going to have no reference except compiler errors. Items.add other. Oh, actors.add. All right. So, we spawn a bunch of jerks. Memorize this layout. Save the game. Turn it back on. Load the game. End of stream exception. Failed to read past end of stream. Oops. Let's see. Save game. Save items, save actors. Save level, level name, current layout. Okay. So it's crashing on reading the serialized data. Oh, I'm never actually loading actors, first of all. But what did I ruin? Is it going to change the file type? Shop item is not marked as serializable. What? I ain't trying to serialize no shop item. Oh, the inventory. Crap. Rob this one. What's up, dude? Array index out of bounds. Stream never ends. I realize what it is. So if you look at our inventory is a regular class, but it's serializing shop items, which are consumables, which are mono behaviors. Crap. Crap. And crap. So what we will do instead... This is why we need to make our shop items not mono behaviors. Yeah. Working on a smaller project, or is this going to be a big one? I'm trying to make this a smaller one. I'm trying to make like a kind of a small, short management game experience with Convention Tycoon. That's my goal. So does a consume need to be a mono behavior? I don't want it to be. Makes it so. This is kind of what I know Zoot dealt with. Is like if you make them easy to edit in the editor, then you can't serialize them as easily. So if I just make these special classes that I create from like a database or like a XML file or something, then I can do it this way. So for now, we just won't serialize their inventory. Where did I save actors? We're going to set inventory to null, which we should be able to serialize null just fine. Save, load. Okay, cool. We got 2 haulers now. So let's test it out. We spawn a bunch of these jerks. Turn it off. Oh, I never saved. God damn it. Okay, we're gonna spawn 3 people. We're gonna move 1. Pick up, put him by the toilet. Here's our people. Save. There's one by the toilet. And then reload. And cool. And there's that guy by the toilet. So you can see they're not reloading with the right bodies, but they are reloading the right place. Using scriptable objects. I'm using scriptable objects in my project. Oh, okay, I'll look into that. Cool, that's what I should be doing. What we need to do is actually clear the level. We need a clear level method. Public void clear level. Actually, I don't think it needs to be public at all. We're going to call clear level before we load the game. And clear level is going to destroy everything. And then call awake again. So we're going to say destroy items, destroy actors, NPCs, and then call awake. These are that they're serialized by reference instead of copying values. Cool. I'm gonna make sure I look that up now. I'm not too familiar with them. Scriptable objects, Unity, and I can look that up after stream. Thanks, dude. Okay, so now we'll spawn a bunch of jerks. Save game. Oops. Oh, I'm rebuilding the dictionary. Did not mean to do that. Let's call clear level and then load level. So spawn. Right? Save. There we go. You can see they're getting rebuilt. They're just different each time. They're being generated each time, but they are in the same position we saved them. So let's put some stuff down. So beanbag, 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 beanbag. Coffee stand, ball pit, ball pit, ball pit. And divider, divider, divider. Save. Load, 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 load. Load, 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 load. Cool. We don't have their rotations and states being saved yet. Pretty much the actors aren't being saved much at all. All we have right now is loading what type they are, like what kind of type they should be, what their names are. So their names should always be the same. So that's Marge Spriggs. So if we reload, this one should be, one of these guys should be Marge Spriggs. Or is that, oh no, actually we're not, we serialized the name, but we're not actually applying the name yet. So next time on Dragon Ball Z, we're going to be taking this method we wrote called load actor, which right now is just spawning them. We're actually going to apply the other details, their new name, their old name, their old thoughts, their old inventory, their old rotation, their old states, their old activities. Oh, we're not serializing activities. Forgot about that. Level loader. What is the hell's activity anyway? An activity is an activity. There's a list of it somewhere. Uncompleted. Activity. So, actors have a list of activities. So, level loader, quasi-ball TV. Sounds hot. So, level actor should also have a list of activities. Now, if we might, this is gonna be a lot to constantly maintain if we have to keep adding stuff to this, you know, every single time we add new features to the player. So, in theory, something like scriptable objects will make this a little bit better, which means you have to take all of the mono behavior crap out of our players. And we should have an error right here. And what is it? It's inventory, thoughts, and then activity. Hashtag draw an episode of Quasi-Ball TV. Nice. All right. So yeah. So next time we'll find better ways to serialize their activity and their thoughts and all that stuff. And who they actually, and then the hardest, I think hard is going to be a little bit tedious, is we have to actually serialize what they look like, right? Like Verge Gann should always have a purple beard and purple hair. Abe Roston should always have purple pigtails, etc. So we'll have to work on serializing their actual generation or whatever as well. But with that said, guys, let's get ready for a good old-fashioned raid. Let's see who's streaming out there in the streamosphere of the Twitch creative, of the Twitch game dev, of the Twitch all the things. Let's see what's going on all the Twitches. Who is out here doing the Twitch thing that we can drop some love on? Our good old Friday raid friend. The stream is so ridiculously fascinating. Thanks so much, Elaine. You're amazing. All right, guys, let's get ready for a good old-fashioned raid. Now, if you don't know, whoa, where's my face? There it is. There's the face. If you don't know how raid works, I'm going to drop a Twitch channel in chat, and then we're all going to head over there, show them our love, see what they're up to. It's a really, really awesome show. I promise you're going to enjoy it. But before we go, I got to thank you guys so very much for an insane, insane week, an insane return from TwitchCon. All the new subscribers, all the resubs, all the follows, all the bits, all the donations. You guys are friggin' insane. Thank you so much for supporting this crazy, crazy show. Convention Tycoon is getting really close to its first alpha playable demo. 1 week is my deadline to be able to zip this game up, give it to you jerks, and get your feedback on how fun it is to play or not. So we have until next Friday. By next Friday, if I can't send you a zip of this game, I want you all to come to my house, break down the door, and feed me ice cream with a spoon. Zessless, I'm so sorry. Bad timing. Bad timing. I dropped my face. I picked it back up. But guys, it is time for a raid. So let's head over to the very awesome Ryan Clark's channel where he's doing the Clark Tank, which is a weekly show where he analyzes the Steam marketplace, the Kickstarter marketplace, and what is currently a successful hit in the indie game market. It's a really fascinating show. I learn a lot every time I watch the show. I feel like I level up whenever I watch it. Great mix of comedy and programming. Thanks, Brian. It's not comedy. I'm supposed to be serious. I don't know why you guys are taking it as comedy. But I will see you guys on Monday for our next Convention Tycoon stream. Thank you so much for being awesome. I'll see you guys at Ryan's channel. Oh, and our raid message is Quasi TV raid. I don't know. Quasi TV raid. So make sure you drop that raid message in chat. I'll see you guys over there. I love you guys. Bye. Don't die. Bye. Bye.